Good morning, Gators. Mr. Beck has been getting some questions about some things we went over in class yesterday, so I'm going to run through a couple things real quick. For today, it says Tuesday, September 21st, and we're only working for 30 minutes, and we're going to do this data sets. So we're going to click on that. It takes us into Google Drive, makes you make a copy, so I'll click on Make a Copy. Brings us into here. So it says first set up your Google Sheets file, so there's 5 sheets across the bottom, and label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in Google Drive, I'm going to say I want a new Google Sheet. Brings it up in here. I'm going to name mine Flex 921 because that's today. And down here we have Sheet 1. So when I right click on that, I can say rename, and the directions set to name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's number 1. This plus sign at the bottom gives me Sheet 2, 3, 4, 5 each time I tap it. Right click, rename each of those. Alright, so I go back to my directions. That covers all of the first step. And then it says for each of the following data sets, do the following. Put the words and numbers in columns. Begin each column with a label. Create an appropriate chart for each set of data. Give each chart a descriptive title. And if the chart is a line or column, label the horizontal and vertical axes. We probably won't get to all that today because you're only working for 30 minutes. So we're going to look over here. I'm going to start with data set number 4 because I want to show you how to resize columns. For me, I don't like switching back and forth between tabs, so I'm going to copy all that data and I'm going to throw it over here. Okay, I'm going to make column 7 or row 7 a little bigger so I can see what I'm doing a little better. Alright, so it says to use Skittles. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And for me, all I need to do is this one because I can show you what I need from here. So right now, you can see the word Skittles and the amount. You can see Reese's Peanut, and that's it. So I'm going to delete my extra data. To make this bigger so you can see the whole word, put your mouse between A and B, double click, and it resizes the column so you can see the whole word. So, what I would suggest you do first is take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 sheets, 5 data sets, 5 different pages, and put those data points into your Google Sheet. Now, if you did what I did, like I just put my candy in Sheet 5, but my directions say candy should be Sheet 4, rather than retype everything, I'm going to highlight it, Control C to copy, go to Sheet 4 and paste. That way I don't have to retype any data because I wasn't paying attention and put it in the wrong sheet. I hope this helps you get some of your Flex Day work done. Still send questions to any one of us, Mr. Beck, Mr. Underwood, or myself.